In this proof of concept, Zui and Wireshark were installed on an Ubuntu virtual machine. Malware traffic analysis was conducted using Zui and Wireshark in a safe and controlled environment. Malware traffic analysis. Load the sample PCAP and click Query Pool. Different categories of Zeek events are visible in the _path field, while the Suricata events are visible in the event_type field. Click toggle right sidebar to view more details on individual logs. Zeek creates a unique identifier, UID, for each connection, linking related events. Zui uses this UID to show all events for a connection in one view. Zeek's community ID links with Suricata alerts from the same connection, allowing related alerts to appear in the correlation view. To verify this, click on different connection logs and find the correlation. We can verify that in this log, Zeek's community ID links with Suricata alerts. Clicking on the tiles takes you directly to the related records in the Details pane. Filter on file name is not equal to null to view file logs. Zeek file records include hashes that were calculated based on the observed file payloads. Filter on file name. When you click a file record, the Details pane shows tables using these hashes to check if the same file has appeared in the captured data, possibly under different names or from multiple hosts. Filter on file name is not equal to null. Check the table summary in the Details pane. Scroll across the file records to see the file name and hashes. The hash values can be looked up in VirusTotal. Right-click on one of the hashes and select VirusTotal. VirusTotal confirms that this is a malicious DLL. Zui lets you extract individual flows from a PCAP file. Clicking a Zeek record finds the flow's details, and the Download Packets button extracts just that flow, saving time compared to opening the entire PCAP in Wireshark. By default, the Suricata that ships with Zui applies the Emerging Threats Open rule set when generating alert events from imported PCAP data. This rule set is updated each time Zui is launched and connected to the internet. Right-click on one of the alerts and click Filter == value to focus on the alerts. Scroll across the alerts to verify that these are the triggered alerts for Basiloader CNC and Basa Backdoor. Click on each alert to examine more details. Click toggle right sidebar to view Details pane. You will be able to find Community ID, which you can use to correlate with Zeek and Suricata logs. Filter by the Community ID by right-clicking it and selecting Filter == value. Remove event_type == alert to focus on the Community ID. We have now narrowed down the search results to events correlated with the Community ID. In this proof of concept, Zui and Wireshark enabled effective malware traffic analysis. Zeek's identifiers and community IDs linked connections to Suricata alerts, providing a clear view of network activity. Zui's flow extraction and file analysis streamlined the process, saving time and increasing precision. By filtering events through community IDs, we quickly identified critical data. This demonstrates the power of ZUI as a streamlined, efficient solution for in-depth PCAP analysis. For more details, refer to the Cyber Defense Kit documentation.